In this video, we are going to install this 4K 3-channel dashcam provided by FitDVR for review. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. Your front dash camera records at 4K, 25 frames per second, with a field of view of 155 degrees. You have a 3-inch screen. Your cabin camera, which records at 1080p, 30 frames per second, with a wide-angle view of 120 degrees. It is also rotatable by 30 degrees. The cabin camera has 4 hidden IR LEDs to help clarity in low light conditions. On the bottom, you have your reset button and your function buttons. On the side, you have your micro SD card slot, which supports up to 512 gigs. They do include a 64 gig micro SD card. On top is your adjustable mount with an adhesive, your USB-C power port, and your rear camera port. Your rear camera records at 1080p, 30 frames per second, with a wide-angle view of 130 degrees. The rear camera can rotate 360 degrees. Includes your rear camera cable, a couple of electrostatic film, your trim tool, an extra adhesive, a 12-volt cigarette plug adapter, your micro SD card reader, and your user manual. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. So this here is where I plan on mounting the rear camera. Simply remove the adhesive and then just stick into place. Now that we have the rear camera mounted, we're going to take your rear camera cable and we're going to start from the front and then wire it to the rear camera. So I plan on mounting the dash cam around this area here. So we take your cable, give it some excess wire, and then start tucking it in underneath the headliner. And then work your way to the rear. Now in this vehicle, we have side curtain airbags. We want to make sure you run your cable behind the airbags. So we're going to go ahead and remove this A-pillar. Once you got the A-pillar out of the way, so this here is your airbags. You want to go ahead and run it behind this. Then we continue tucking in the wire underneath the weather strip, working your way towards the rear. You're probably wondering, it says SRS airbag there. The airbag is not on the B pillar itself, but it's up here. So if we tuck in the wires under the weather strip, we are not blocking the airbags, which is right up here. And then all your excess, we're gonna go ahead and just tuck it in here. Then we go ahead and connect your rear camera cable. Then we want to go ahead and mount your dash cam. Just press firmly. Now we want to plug your rear camera cable. And here we have FitDVR's power adapter with a nice 0.77-inch OLED display. We're going to go ahead and plug that to your dash cam. And you're all set. Now let's go ahead and start up the vehicle. Now your FitDVR power adapter displays 5 volts at 0.9192 amps. And we have your dash cam, your front, cabin, and the rear. Now let's go ahead and turn on your Wi-Fi. Once that's on, we're going to try and connect to the app. So on your phone's Wi-Fi, you're going to look for FitDVR. We're going to tap on that. Your default password, 12345678. Hit connect. All right, now that we're connected, we're going to open up the app. And now we're connected to your dash cam. Middle left here, you can switch your camera views. We have your cabin view and your rear camera view. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to flip this rear camera. On the bottom left is where your files are kept. On the bottom right is your camera settings. You have the option to turn your sound recording on and off. You can change your video resolution. You have loop recording duration. You can change that to record in 1 minute, 3 minute, or 5 minute intervals. If the memory card is full, it will automatically be overwritten with the earliest video. You can adjust your exposure compensation. You have collision sensing. By default, it's off. You can set it to low, medium, or high. You can change your speed unit. You have a few languages to choose from. You can change your Wi-Fi name, change your Wi-Fi password. You can view your firmware version, format your SD card, and reset to factory settings. These are all the settings that you can access via app. Now we're going to go to the settings menu on the device itself. Hit the left button. You have storage, language, date and time, Wi-Fi. You can change your resolution, loop recording. Let's see what's extra here. You can change your G sensor, your display mode, which is your screensaver. You can adjust volume. You can see GPS information. Here, you can either mirror your rear camera, and we want to flip our rear camera. We're going to go ahead and go back, and now you can see our camera has been flipped. If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.